I can't find where to put.
What are you doing?
All of a sudden.
Oh.
There's an opening jazz at the birthday. That's for the season. No, we have an opening jazz that we still have to.
Serious? I'm gonna kill myself.
We have like 12 days. We have like 3 weeks. Yeah. We're going to Saturday practice and say 6:30
No.
Awesome.
This is not little toaster.
Okay, guys. Star Knuckles.
Okay. I like your belt car.
Thank you. I bought a Hot Topic this weekend.
I like the butt, Tara.
I don't.
Okay.
So we're born to do. Are you really videotaping yourselves? You're weird.
No, actually, we're supposed to be doing something stupid, but it's not. Yeah.
If you see a white fan following you, run.
Why?
Don't be afraid.
Oh, y'all are
You want someone to explain that to Claire?
Why Dan the people with butterfly nets and straight jackets?
Get into this video. Oh, that's Lindsay's butt.
Actually,
I love you. Even though you told me I'm crazy.
And I need to be in a straight
Your
jacket.
hair looks pretty today. What'd you do to it?
I dyed it.
It's
No, duh.
Just sprayed that my eyeball.
You called me crazy. Your face is red.
What happened? I wanna count the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Boo. Flip your pancakes. Pancakes. I'm a pancake flipper.
7 times 6.
48.
There's 48.
No, 42.
42.
There's gum. I just
Look at the gum. Look at it. Box. 42.
Put your hand over here.
Was somebody knocking?
Somebody knocking on my door. Your ear nose went in my nose. I mean, your ear went in my nose. I mean, your nose went in my ear.
But there's lots
Should we be scared? Is that the people in the white